Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the world of nonprofit fundraising management with our full 2025 guide on how to use Zoho Project for this crucial task. Let's kick things off with step 1, setting up your Zoho Project account. Head over to Zoho's website and sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. This is your first step because it gives you access to all the features that Zoho offers to streamline your fundraising process. Now that we've done that, we're moving on to step 2, creating a new project. On your Zoho dashboard, click on New Project and name it after your current fundraising campaign. This helps us because it keeps all the tasks and progress related to this campaign in one place. Next up, step 3, adding tasks. On your project page, add tasks that represent each step of your fundraising campaign, such as identify potential donors or send out email blasts. The reason we do this is to keep track of every little task and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've added all the tasks, it's time for step 4, assigning tasks to team members. Click on each task and assign it to the appropriate team member. This is crucial because it ensures accountability and clarity in who's responsible for what in your fundraising campaign. Step 5, monitoring progress. Zoho offers real-time tracking, so you can monitor the progress of each task and the overall campaign. Let me explain why this matters. Having a clear overview of your campaign's progress can help you identify bottlenecks or delays early and address them promptly. Our final step, step 6, is using Zoho's built-in analytics. These offer valuable insights into your campaign's performance and help you make data-driven decisions for future campaigns. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho's analytics use the data from your tasks and progress to generate reports that can help you understand what's working and what's not in your fundraising efforts. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to use Zoho Project for nonprofit fundraising management. With these steps, you can effectively plan, track, and analyze your fundraising campaigns. By keeping your campaign organized and transparent, Zoho Project can be a game changer in your nonprofit fundraising efforts. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.